You know we got it on so many levels. Try to keep up cause we all trendsetters. And if you hear what I'm saying, you a real one and you an OG.
Yo, manga.
Try to keep up cause we all trendsetters.
Get happy like a beefy like a yogurt. Hadi pili tse di jealousy. Ka pelo tsa di bogati. Ke futa mnat I'm inside pagati. Ke jile le mazabati. Ke lakatsa le rakati. Ka gonkos. Ke koskos. Itlo roba di pilo tsa baloi. Full tank. Ewe e khamile koloi. Riri grizi troba nkemetse. Ba short left iti bone pa potete. Ka utlwa ba gotetse entle da ke sepiti mpe re firi gono wa dikete ntwana tlhaloganya gore sa batagana.
And now we getting faded. Yeah, there's money on the day. You know we got it on so many levels. Try to keep up cause we all trendsetters. And if you hear what I'm saying, you a real one and you an OG. Try to keep up cause we all trendsetters.
Urban Rebel Culture Verbalist.
It's your boy Craig Flow, the hippie now, the baby.
Ah,
Your
vandaag.
uncle's favorite uncle.
Vandaag en alle litona. Yo. Ah, uncle. Ah. En al homofoon.
favorite uncle.
You know. Ik ken een uncle daar. He's uncle's favorite uncle's uncle.
Manga.
Manga! What's up, Afetu? Yo, Stanza. After
Uncle's
Stata.
dead.
After Stata, that's a good.
Bafethu ke mo tlatseng I'm happy ke ma ke khathile mabala.
Yeah.
God bless like you know mos.
Yeah.
Eh.
Yeah, wa itse fada go buang ka plus ka tlhogong e teng. Don't worry about me.
Oi, before we do that, 2 questions.
Yeah.
Maji, when are you dropping your album? Wait. For a second, I'm excited about this, dog. I'm excited about this.
Something is coming, we're working, Vitu. Let's talk about you, Noya. Let's get you, Noya is you, dog.
Okay, the second one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jesus, o mo tsenya
Ayo. Are
Yeah.
o mo tsenya
Yeah, spotlight.
listen, we have to talk
Yeah,
about
that we'll
it.
talk about.
Yeah.
But Noya, it's about you.
Hey, but
The
we need to
second
know, are you dropping or not?
It's coming.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Now, the second one. I've got 3. Maji, you made a promise that anyone who wins the league, you're gonna take off. What the fuck is going on? You said it. It's on cam. Everybody knows about it. Voluntarily so. Look, West it out. West. You take Voti, you take anybody else before him.
It's
Is it odd?
It's odd until I'm
Until further notice.
Then
We're no sharp.
Sit down right here.
Born
Until you get all your angles.
na chestnut.
He's dead.
I've been busy.
I know he's dead. I know.
Who's dead?
That nigga dead. Veboto Mukatela.
West.
Hey.
Tse di ka thoko. Tse ke dilana le tsone so no yana ke e mehela so no ana
Can we speculate? Oh, no, you're not free.
no ana ke free.
We're outside,
Mara
you know.
nja ta bua le no ta mtlela.
We're now outside, you know.
Ke bile le no West
No, kwa ta ba tlhaloganya gore no ya. No, you're not.
Yeah, no, West is not communicating.
No, like
No, he's saying
the
he's
question
outside. He's saying he's outside, but West is afraid to.
Now West is not afraid.
Oh.
West
He's committed to other things.
He's committed to other things. West Daniel Pelitsenyo ne arite eta bona ne I wanna meet 1 2 3. Yeah. Before ke tla meet. Ya bona ntse ke butuka.
But it's unfair because it doesn't meet the prescribed contract. The agreement of what was said within. It is a family agreement that
That's-
whoever
it's on
is,
camera.
you said it. You said fuck these niggas. I wanna teach them a lesson. Why must he go first? Go lose there when he can lose here, and we know that he lost. And you the king. You're the king of Free State.
No, but
Here's
to
the-
now.
here's the problem.
Nakibona, shey,
Ka betlela West.
yeah.
Okay.
Ba batho di eng. I don't want it.
Shey,
Okay, cool.
Let's
Okay, cool.
get back to
Okay.
That's your thought.
Are we gonna start? We are here for stanza.
Do you know how's my English? Something you know. The major got hiding. You didn't notice it until he said it. Wow. Let now I notice stuff like that. Okay. Also.
Hey, that's
Wow,
what I'm saying.
So you know what to the English, dog.
That's what I'm saying. It's a thought.
What's that metal? You know what to the English. I swear.
And then the last one, though. And then the last very one. Saguta. Litan's handled. Bafo. Emana vebegi wo salao zo la tao.
Batho ba shwa go than Cape Peter.
Emana di man ke ngushugile Iran situation ka di man eta. Emana you the nigga I respect the most and I think you haven't lost in any of okay maybe toxic I'm not sure but we still have to talk about it but I'm still saying yeah you need to come see this nigga tao please tao. Just for the sake of hip hop, tao.
Hip hop,
Hey, let's get back to me. Yeah.
Nah, said it.
Finally,
Before-
after 10 minutes.
Before I said nah, currently I'm no longer interested.
Tao, you can't say that. Ke hot man, ke bablela sheba, ke hot man. Ke hot man.
Longest time we've been trying to
Nah,
put it
dog, I'm no
together. Even
longer
Mr. Luke tried to
interested.
put it together.
This nigga has been ducking me for 20 years. 20 years is a very long time.
He's not ducking you. I don't think. Are you ducking him though? Tao, don't do that. I don't think it's.
Dog, decade, dog.
Decades.
2 decades.
It's all
20
about.
years.
It's all about.
20 years.
Hey, Tao. Ke go ba didi ma tse ba fala ba Tao. Yeah, Tao.
Anyway, Bafetu Manga Rap is out. Uncle Stan never to drop it. We have him in the house. Asalare Bamba since the day he dropped. Uncle Stan, can you tell us about the project in Fitu? It's been like Khale batho ba emetse right now.
In the woodworks.
Oh my
Yeah, man,
goodness.
Khale batho ba emetse.
Nah, man, khale ba emetse ka ba ka sukela le ke sephinya sa sephinya la kumka.
That was the nicest beef I've ever seen. That was the nicest beef.
Ene ke mo rotile da go eventeng ya ke batla go mo tswale tata matla go I can understand no din sama ke blawa go rata blind ntwana ka utlwa.
Do you know how I feel about the beef, dog? Man, I feel like Kumkani never thought tsenya selo Elisa man.
Hey, I mean,
Hey,
like it was
not
more of a
about it.
positive
Kasilo.
push.
Eh,
than
for him,
a
I release
negative one
You
because
know why I release it?
Okay.
it didn't, I feel like it didn't come out from like.
No,
place of
I hear
disrespect
you. I
or
hear
anything
you.
like that.
Okay, but now I iso ka morata kumka.
He knows that, and
He
I know the
knows.
nigga loves you too, man.
Hey.
It's all love at the end of the day. He hip-hop.
Fortunately, I go the box cutting, lady. Did laugh at security, so. And it almost happened before that. Just for you, I'm glad that it did not happen, though. Gitla party, all white is now about to. I say you as a hokapa. Which can Jehovah the Mudimu, but Dimba Copanele Satan Marile. That's why we're not gonna let happen, bitch.
If it's over
Katana
boss Carter.
Katana Betia University.
So
Okay,
the project in Fitu, you know, came my mates, I played it, came my mates like it's a dope project. I don't wanna lie, but well put in Fitu. Even the collaborations, you know, for you to call it manga rap and have so many collaborations now,
That's so
it
big.
describes it like in
That's so
total
big.
for me.
That's
You
so
know?
big.
So yeah, Kimanga Unka Fela. So shout out to that Brawaka for Because when I level to go to never Kimang. Every time I hold Mama, who's this one? How and why so much or so many people on the project?
Let's start at the guy Safa Tamo URC, ne?
Yeah.
Just like Safa, okay, can I just take in maybe a tad back, ne? So I had quit like 15 years ago. Momo. Or lady, stepfather, you need to find yourself or what is it that you're doing. Instead of Ukita didn't just do the Dirat about repelling of focus most gay, like it labo. So we check out about Lagarin, blew up, I never did everything. So when I was on the sidelines, even though I was with them wherever, Kapusha Ujali, Ojalia blew up. So man, how do you see? This thing is a calling. It's not a joke. I say, Boma Toto Toka 15 ranta fast, stick up 20 ranta, it's not that. It's a calling. I always say it on my bus, in my bus. It's a calling, dog. So man, one day my wife, I'm just in the car. Every time I get over drop, there's that thing. I got freestyle. I'm body pinning. House where again, Alex, man, once I go studio. Hemana, what do you mean? Shout out to Star, Mutwaka go at you, Teta, Wizzy, Mutwaka, Mutwaka, and a star. What? Fuck out here, bitch. So I remember as a recorder, Kakisum like a record. 5 years later, I get some like a deal this thing. Kagi Kopanale. Le URC. Mo URC. Carry some like freestyle, you will see the clips starting. And then after, Kagi Kopanale. Next time, I had to begin in the Hey, was pompous motherfucker. Red Negro. About this happening over and gave visa. Raymond a visa and Chaka. I got money go easy and then I go hop Sunday, what not. I wouldn't got Ramon. He will tell you. You must ask him when he comes. So my G project started when I took these guys to studios Smokers Gym.
Yeah.
They record a manga. Was it manga? Yes. Wakauma. Hey, yo, manga. Wabo. Manga. Hey, give for nothing for together. Flow, I need you on this shit. You go park why so you go pay the paid. Then that track is the track that made the project because why so spiritually so I can see project stanza 11 tracks. He said that. I can see it happening. Project stanza 11 tracks. That's when it started.
Why so Tataka Winter. Hey, Lena what she so it's all chisa.
When I said it,
yeah, so yeah, and then from there, Mauti, the get together, say what's about URC and whatnot.
Then I decided to do I've been dissed by a lot of wackest niggas I know in real life, in real time. When I get lame, but I haven't dropped shit. Then I said it to myself, I just want to flex. But whatever I'm gonna do it for my people. The Baba hip hop, I'm gonna take it underground, but on the strat level, but for the commercial hearing. That's when I decided, okay, this is what I'm doing. Then I started recording my G. Then I started deciding I'm gonna take all my favorite pips. All of them. I'm gonna take all the niggas back in my rat. I got about it.
I was surprised. The Damano Ricardo.
How to find that guy? Yo, yeah.
track up 12 and it's in the G32 if it's somewhere but I get a drop I singing if it's G32 delayed can I something but I should have dropped it but I felt like the way it was being dropped it was not
The proper way
it was not a proper way for it to be done you understand
There are ways
Oh.
to do things, man.
Yeah.
You must always do things the right way.
yeah
And if that feeling ya go bolela gore mo na mapile ga nyane
because ke legacy ya ngwana ga re ya bana ba ga if gona le wane go strateng but like you know what I mean yeah.
So mo projecting ne ra utlwa ge ya tsi re pile di kopane ya production yana
no
beat di recording mixing di mastering in zo tsa boteng
ooh but like we can old school Hop Sunday tagotsele tsa bagolo ne o batla go kena. You know, I recorded that one. That is the first track actually that I recorded way before Getlamo URC. A Bus P, dog. Yo, Peter, I'm gonna big up to Peace, dog. Yeah, I'm gonna what a Bus P. Again, get the enslave of this beat making industry.
like shout out to other niggas also
Yeah, but
for Nuyana like I know a lot of
Interview tell Dominator.
yeah, Peter,
dominant
so
Yeah.
what was the question? Okay, how it came about?
producers say like
Ke startile le P.
yeah
E ra kopana le P. Ga ke simolola ke find out why so dira di beat. I find out why so I say mo sheba ke fuck you nigga re tlo spa. Ke re spa. Ma ke mo rata. What man? Why re sa diriso ha ke batla so I dirisa so ke mo ratetse that they knew and then there was there's this nigga Chevy. You must find out about Chevy Beats, ne? You must find out about Chevy. I sampling a very like the normal. The big ups to him, dog.
is he from the
Chevy Tao is the underground. He's been making some more buta chakateka Chevy Tao. Chevy when I did the didn't rank go and ke go ba go direla project ya URC. Yeah, underground. I got the beats in just kita modume. But I guess we can talk to him about that. Once we're sorted with the studio.
yeah
And then ke ratile ke spanele ene pe ke no Ray. Ray. Ke spanele Ray. Ma re itse ke mo ratetseng Ray. Ray o na le that element ya kasi. And on that thing, you go reach the boss. I go, guess you up like a motherfucker. Oh shit! Do you say that to the recorder? Well, now some mood
so the energy was on fire
yeah. Until it got to a point where it must be mixed and mastered. Okay, shout out to my favorite engineer, Nation Ninjaga, o dirile Spane, ne?
shout out to Nation
O dirile Spane ke go tsoetse mare tshwantse re tlo bua tsele le tsele nna le. Sheba Street Face. Sheba Street Face.
Street Face office no yana
Sure.
you at my heat
Eh.
and then your favorite track from the project like which one is it oh let's R3 top 3
3. Top 3.
yeah top 3 is famous of 11 tracks
Considering gore ke repela bo mang kapa all in all the project as is.
the project is top 3 oh you can remove the top 5
Top 3 is fine. Top 3.
your
Okay.
top 3 yeah your top 3 from the project
Top 3.
Oh my god, from 11 tracks.
mana ni ka uzama ka 5
Yeah, but nzame ka 4.
3.
Okay, sharp.
3
2.
Okay, in the 11, we have one of your best. Which one is it?
One of my best, dog.
Yes.
Yo, one of the 11.
re gona ile 3 ya
Ka o batla go 11 ela tsotle re ya
re yalo
Ha 11 la jotle mara itse. Okay, sheba. Are
ba za go no kgetha
okay, sheba re bankanya.
Yeah.
Hey yo, keep up, batoba, pakai batoba, bata buka bato bono. Shout out to Capone, shout out to TF, shout out to Voodoo. Yeah, man. We used to bump this thing before what again? Hopsaning in Itagal. Nere beza dilo tse go di thabene matshware ba ka la re repa le batho ba re le ba gago. In actual fact, I think these are one of the dopest people I cannot even think of. I can contest with Habakabo, Capone, TF, and Voodoo. Baba. Emana kiba batho and then
like number one kapa in no particular order.
in no particular, don't do that. Don't do that.
Sharp, yeah. Kiba batho ba.
Yo. Eriko Sevele, ko tlotlele gore nna ke batla ke fatla ka ja ene le Romeo a nkolota a batla dadama ka saka mina so se ke snai yeah. I think that one chances ke mo goes to true story yeah, like a true story. And I confess it. My commanded. It's a fact. I get what I have in call. I get what I have in call. I had to call my oldest goons.
Number 3.
Yeah. That's it.
And they get enough flop out go. No, it's not like
okay, you about something.
Baba featuring so if you like
no, dog. Okay, Rige Bankai. The last 3, ne? The last 3.
The last one. It's in the last 3.
Okay, it's the last one. You make a decision. You decide.
We can decide for you.
Okay. Mama, you do that for
I'll
me.
name my top 3.
No, allow me, my G. You make your top 3. Okay, can I just? Okay, in between Puo Para, Waka Omama, the mix. With the mix, dog. The Tarazaba Holo to no mix. That's 3. This is a little Taro.
That's fine.
5 songs.
But I want to tell you, it was I worked with people that
Yeah.
politics. Now I've learned I get to a project, EP because ke bone project it's not a lot of politics that thing la le tsone mona di didn't chance ka be ke dropile ka August, right? Last year August. But the politics that thing din khanile gore ke tlo drop late ka February ke tsa go phinyetswa ke sota sa motho ela se sa itse le go phumula bukiki ha ile toilet ungaspinya sa ungaspinya sa sabonyera sa who started first with ungaspinya sa they're gonna deal with you.
So the project there, like, is it? Would you say is your last project? Something.
Name your top 3.
Oh, my top.
From the track.
My top 3 would be like in no particular order. Would be like Wopara, Trendsetters, and the Tawatsabokolo, the remix.
Almost the same.
Those are my songs.
Tarotabaholo,
Yeah.
le manga, hey.
Yeah. Some are your top 3. Yeah.
Manga.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let it hit.
Yeah.
Plambara
Vice correct.
Number one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Which one?
I've been for real, dog.
Which one? No.
Oh,
Wait till the lady boss.
Yeah.
Hey.
And this one.
Shit.
The first time I heard it, Mary, it's booming down.
Ooh.
The entire album is hit.
the whole album.
The whole album is hit.
But not personally.
The first time I
It's
heard
just
it.
like it's nothing. It's just like I feel like Moni Thago Tsaba Pina yo sentse be kwetse ka verse gara.
Oh, yeah, I remember that conversation.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I feel like that
I
song
remember that.
for me the
Even
song
the-
ends there.
Even the
Now for me the yeah.
I get-
For
get-
me the song ends there.
Ah.
Like
Masai
after that go tswa na sa utlwaneng.
Tata. No, it's again down. Flow down. Flow. I'm not part of.
I'm just saying. Though.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
How it happened, it was just how it came to life. It was a situation of, hey, man, we need to drop now. What is it that we can do? Hey, man, take this one, put it here, take
So I
it and
wanna
put it
put it
together,
in
and
the
just let's
space.
drop this thing
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
Because I had already paid for people to be there.
Yeah.
I had already paid the engineer, Nation. And then Nation was under pressure because there were so many he was doing things that he was doing.
You're working against
And now
publishing time as
I
well.
could not even say I'm fair to. No, let's hurry up the segment there because BTL the way it's amagating. It's amagating.
Yeah.
That's why I decided to go jump in. I get a cut totally. It like a sound of whatever. Not well, and this shit. I go, fuck you, nigga. I'm a fucking rapper.
Yeah.
So, well,
Moni Thago Tsaba
Jaga,
Bale ba khale bale.
but it's fucking nice with it.
Man.
It's not there.
I give Moni Thago Tsaba.
No, I'm saying you officially the
Yeah, I am on the team.
What happy he is, though.
That is my first favorite.
Ka ke
track.
yone e buang ka hore ha ke etsa go ba bona o re ke ba reketse bojalwa go le monate ha ke etsa ke tipile ba ile go nwa TV da be ke so go ara mo ka wa ha se tsa ke story se ha di bona mo ke ka mo zama ke mo tsaya ka khwala
Ewa, ke bua ka
Wa
botsa.
betsa o taga ba sasanka. A ba je ka botlhela tipila a gona pla.
e ndona e bona
Papa ba shota ba re no nwa tea.
ya ga mane teta e bona nana ba ba hola TV go ga ka ba ile go epona this nigga is a crazy town.
Yeah, man, that
You
project.
promised us everything. That
Ngibalo yena go fu. Uzwakala mauthi alesete. Ari ita desvare ka tlameya go
There's
roetsa.
everything.
Everything. TV
Y'all niggas are crazy, bro. Why is it ke ratang ka batho ba ke ba officially mo projecting ke ba ratela la nya gore ba gona go ha ba kwale from a position of ba kwala from a position of experience.
Yeah.
Some of the things that we have done in life,
Yeah.
you can hear sabalesa now. Hey, mo dithago tsa bagolo mo se mo ke ba batho ba
Batho bao.
wa muta peke no the way kwala nga teng re di lenye wa e bua magano ha e bui sentle wa bo a ke betsa tsotse gore ya bitse ditsosi se di wa mona peke no le ka mo gole mo shuka teng he might be able to do it. Is that nigga?
So, are rapper up dog.
Okay.
The project if you like are you happy with the overall work? Like ke utlwa excited like this is the best thing I want and go tloga he going on forward the plan the project ke batla go bona ele kae e dira eng and e reaches who and where And are there more music videos coming out? Because I know you have like 2 or what? 2.
Hey, I've got 2.
You have 2, yeah. You have 2 music videos out from the project.
Yeah.
So my question is, are there more videos coming from other songs?
Visuals.
If so,
Visuals.
yeah.
Visuals.
If so, like,
ke gopola ke letsa selo ditharo tsa bagolo 2.0 ma ke letse ditharo tsa bagolo ya
Ya
pele
pele,
ke letsa the 2.0 motho o ka mpotsa gore video ya teng e kae this deserves a video.
that's the 7. This
Oh,
is the 7.
shit.
Mariano it's harder to put it together because to have those people together all at once is
No, even if you don't have time together, even if they shoot.
but in the visual. Yeah, so the plan.
No, but wait,
Visuals,
my G, I'm happy with the project. My wife is. My son, the older son, is not happy. What the fuck is this sound? This basketballer, Omole, is not happy at all. He's not happy. But Pino is okay with the sound, but not really though. Because I would like, so yeah. I'm happy with the project. I'm gonna do a lot of visuals. Even like Virginia, I don't know if I'm gonna make it there, but I want to make it there. I'm gonna make a lot of visuals, so people should expect a lot of visuals. And after next ones, like URC type of shit, like hey man,
We got you. You are CPD. We got you.
don't worry about that. You might got me, but I might got
Got
you too.
yourself.
I might got you too. Hey, you might have to tit for tat at some stage. Allow me. But I'm just saying, imagine, project on drop sharp, the visuals. I just wanted to flex with this. I just wanted to be with my friends on this project. I just wanted to tell my wife, yes, I did it. See it on TV, hear it on radio. Babe, I've done it. Mama, so I just want to say thank you to you.
Yeah.
Support on position, so to midlife crisis. I don't know. No, you're not going to call it dangerous. No, you're not about on sign what? What can I say though? Midlife crisis, right?
Yeah.
So, I don't want to lie. I think you guys should expect, but I don't want to make projects anymore. Now I want to talk to people. I'm gonna talk to people now. My friends, I'm gonna talk to them. Ke ba bolele ka life, ke ba rute life ke hot man. Ke itile mo mathateng a baya. So I'm gonna talk to more like on your type of level, like just talking to people, not trying to be robust with the bars, trying to be metaphorically, trying to with those bombastic words. I'm not gonna do that. So you understand? So I'm just gonna talk to my people. I think after I'm gonna ride on this for the whole year until we are on Makufe. I see URC ko Makufe a performer as a unit. Like we did when we had an international act here at the T Junction. I see that happening. I feel like we have achieved, and it seems like a lot of people don't want to acknowledge that URC has brought the things that makes the ports.
The ports to be the ports.
To happen. So I've got my niggas here, and I feel my niggas, we are doing the most beautiful thing. Okay, sure. No, like you're doing the most beautiful thing, and I think we should continue with this. But
Definitely though.
yeah, but now we should involve the younger generation, because what I discovered yesterday is fire, dog. Like, hey, Gidropile project. I'm furious that Gidropile project. Come up in a good but see on my project, and this project was just for for me and my niggas re kgone gore ene batho ba itse gore vele your favorite rapper can go ba you understand and nna ne ke sa batla gore ke compete le Majita ka ba batla go nkutla gore pene ka monate go loka ha ba go nkutla ko Ramen Reason ha ba go nkutla ko ha ba batla go di mixtaping ha ba go nkutla ko tsa URC but mo ne ke dira ne ke le musically niggas stop saying I'm being killed on my own songs. On whose songs am I being killed? Idiot.
So bafethu ha le batla project am fethu e online teng ka di YouTube ka di Apple
Every
Music
major
le mona platform e nngwe le nngwe ka nagana e bitswa Manga Rap
Understand.
MANGARAP Uncle Stan bafethu ya re no it's
Uncle ka King.
Uncle ka King
Okay.
yes that's our fethu le mo di platform ke ntatera pula le mo
Le ka Facebook o iteng. Ka Facebook.
Iteng.
Ha ona le picture. O batla o dira sela.
Iteng.
Khona o mo tsenya da.
le mano bafethu share
Kwela biti ka di heavy artillery. Fucking chapedi, are you kidding me? Katela tsotsi e phela. That's my specialty. URC Spagami. Ke shoka la ntakase. Tang le senkase jathapi. Mother tongue ya di colonizers. Ke skoka tlare how baiza. Ekare mo panim ba go drizer. Put a cross mo sekeleng. Then sniper. Never miss a mark. Never miss a mark. I'm a sniper. Serpents. Spit the sand serpents.
re kwetsi bafethu la utlwa go etsala shout out to Urban Rebel Culture, shout out to Samza Stanza, shout out to Samza,
Like,
shout out
subscribe.
to Roni Kantle Kara, shout out to Elfest, shout out
Like.
to Verbalist, my king.
Like, subscribe,
Like and subscribe.
notification bell, commenta.
Share ratao.
Ale batla o tla on the show like
Oh, one last thing.
contact us.
If you hate URC, you hating on me.
And happy if you want
Klar,
distribution. If you want distribution, contact us. Wabon. Until next time, peace.
Mango!